is your Bicolana next door, Kishin Lee, and we're here at Butag, Bulan, Sorsogon. So I decided for my first video, I would like to share something very personal to me. And that is the humble beginnings of this farm. Come, let me give you a tour. So guys, this is the main building of the farm, and I call it the tree house just simply because it's above the ground. This is my favorite place in the farm because you could see everything from here. You don't believe me? I'll show you. Come on. This is a papaya tree, but it's a male papaya tree. It doesn't produce any fruit, but it just produces flowers. Let's start from here. So this is the coconut grove. As you can see, there are a lot of coconuts here. So you have here our mahogany trees and some cacao trees. They're still small, but they'll grow. So this farm is not that big. It just has a few little trees. Believe it or not, everything you see here came out of an old rice field. So it took us a while to regenerate the production of plants here. We have here Clarabelle. Clarabelle is our first cow.
A little bit of everything for now. As you can see, this spot is for my vegetable garden. So, this is our improvised chicken coop. This is where the free-range chickens stay at night, and also this is where they lay their eggs.
This is Manoy Anek. Say hi, Manoy! Hello. So, he's the one who is helping me with the maintenance of the farm. So, Manoy Anek is a very big help to us. So here we have a chili plant. Come, look. Here. This is a chili plant. This is called siling labuyo. And I'm trying to look for... Okay, this is good. I'm trying to find the red one, but they are not ripe yet. See?
So I don't know what to do with this part yet, but I think I'm going to clean this up and add a fish pond over here and maybe get some ducks, and let's see where we go from there.
Sister Charlotte, you know, from Charlotte's Web. This is Kuya Aljun. So he builds most of the buildings here, and he does a very good job with it. Hi, Kuya Aljun.
Hi.
So he's a very good handyman, and he's good in building structure. Can you see that? That's one of our chickens. They're free-range chickens. They're there. So they roam around here, but they sleep inside that chicken coop. Oh, okay. As you can see, here we have calamansi. So here we have a guava tree. As you can see, I have already air layered this one. There's a lot of fruit right now. Can you see that? Here we go. Sadly, nothing is ripe yet. Since my uncle doesn't have room to put his chickens in that he used for cockfighting, we have it here. We have 5 chickens here. Oh my god. So those are the chickens. Have some. So there you have it, guys. Thank you for joining me on a small tour on my farm in the making. Comment down below if you have any suggestions on what I can do here in the farm. You might be wondering why I'm starting this farm. Well,
It's because I want to reboot and reroute. Reboot in the sense that I want to reprogram myself to be closer to nature, appreciate every living thing, and to reroute and rekindle all the childhood memories and to make new memories with the ones I love. I am on this journey because I want to discover every single thing that nature has to offer. I want to get to know my country and I want to get to know the people around it. I am here on this journey to appreciate every seed that I plant and realize that something will come out of it, something uniquely, remarkably amazing.
that's a wrap, guys. Hope you give me a big thumbs up if you like this video. See you later, alligator.